Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. A glorious day here on the allotment. Just going to take you through what I'm going to be getting on with over the next few days. As you can see, what a mess around here. That's going to take me a couple of days to get on top of that, I would imagine. Need to put him right back to the fence there. This bit's been tidied up. And then this is where I left it last year, unfortunately, because of the old coronavirus. But I'm going to be getting, it's all going to get weeded over the next 2 weeks. So first of all, let's have a walk down here, shall we? As you can see, it goes on for a fair way. Get onto the path here. This is going to be the hardest bit to dig over. This is just like turf, this. So this, I'm going to take the top layer off. Pile it up, cover it with some dark polythene, let it rot, and then rake it over. And that'll probably be the best thing for that. I'll keep the raspberry canes down there at the bottom. But yeah, I'll get on quickly, and then we'll see in the video later on, see how much I actually get done, shall we? Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just finished for today. Not done a lot, I've done about 8 feet. It's enough for me today. So I won't fit around. As you can see, just under here, got a lot to do, probably another 7 or 8 days to go. And it should all be dug over then. I should be a lot fitter by the end of it and hopefully lose some weight, which would be nice. Just show you what kind of soil it is. It's really nice, light. So it's been an allotment for many years, a lot of organic material has gone into this. Just crumbles in your hands, absolutely divine soil. But yeah, a few things I need to sort out. I can see why it's been dug here, these dips here. This is where, like, if I'm on a slight hill, this is where moisture seems to pool. So I might have to double dig that and put a trench in just to get rid of some moisture. Same with that one there. But yeah, quite a lot to do. Can't wait to get everything in my dahlias, my sweet peas, runner beans, potatoes. The list goes on and on and on. Hopefully you'll stay with me through this little journey as I get my allotment sorted this year. I'd just like to thank everybody for watching and everybody for subscribing. If you like my videos, folks, please subscribe and please watch my videos. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.